Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the spiked thicket stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, the double crochet spike stitch, and be familiar with the thicket stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then make 1 double crochet into that same chain with that single crochet. So all together into that chain is going to be a single crochet and a double crochet. We're going to start our sequence for this row. Skip 1 chain into this next one, make a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip 1 chain into this next chain, make that single crochet and double crochet. Skip 1 chain into this next one, make that single crochet and double crochet. Skip 1 chain into this next chain, make that single crochet and double crochet. Skip 1 chain into this next one, make that single crochet and double crochet. Skip 1 chain into this next one, make that single crochet and double crochet. Skip 1 chain into this next one, single crochet and double crochet into the same chain. Skip 1 chain into this next one, make a single crochet and double crochet into the same chain. Skip 1 chain into this next one, single crochet and double crochet into the same chain. When you get to the end of your row and you have 2 chains left, skip 1 like we have been doing, but in this last chain, make 1 single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. The sequence in row 2 is going to be similar to row 1. Instead of making just a single crochet and double crochet, it's going to be a single crochet and a double crochet spike stitch. So into the first stitch, we're going to make a single crochet. And then we're going to make a double crochet spike stitch into the chain 2 rows down. So 1, 2, it's going to be into this chain right here. But going forward, you're going to be working into stitches. So it's going to be the stitch 2 rows down underneath this single crochet you just made. So into this chain right here, underneath this single crochet 2 rows down, you're going to make that double crochet or double crochet spike stitch. It's basically just a double crochet into a different row, and it's going to look like that. Now we're going to be starting our sequence again. You're going to skip 1 stitch instead of a chain. It's going to be a stitch this time, so skip 1 stitch into this next stitch, make that single crochet, and then double crochet spike into the space or stitch underneath that single crochet 2 rows down, so it's going to be right here. It's going to look like that. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, single crochet, double crochet into this stitch or chain 2 rows down underneath that single. Skip 1 stitch, single crochet into the next one. Now you're going to make that double crochet spike into this chain or stitch going forward 2 rows down underneath that single. Skip 1 stitch into the next one, single crochet, double crochet into that chain or stitch 2 rows down underneath that single. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, single crochet, double crochet into that stitch, chain or space 2 rows down underneath that single crochet you had just made. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, make that single crochet, double crochet spike into that stitch underneath the one you were just working into, just like that. Skip 1 stitch into the next one, make that single crochet, double crochet into the stitch below that single crochet, just like that. skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet into the next one, double crochet spike into the stitch below the one you just worked into, stitch, chain, or space, whatever you want to call this little thing. It's a chain right now. Going forward, you're going to be working into stitches. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, make that single crochet, double crochet into the chain, stitch, or space right underneath that stitch you just worked into. Then when you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 2 stitches left. Skip this stitch like we've been doing. We've been skipping 1 stitch into this last stitch, make a single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project, and that is going to be how to make the spiked thicket stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.